Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own Kahoot quiz game for free. It's super fun and easy, so let's jump right in. First, let's quickly talk about what Kahoot is. Kahoot is an interactive quiz platform that allows you to create quizzes and play them with friends, family, or students. It's perfect for classrooms, parties, or any group setting. To get started, head over to the Kahoot website at kahoot.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up button. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Microsoft account. Now, once you've logged in, you land on a dashboard. Click on the create button. Click on the create button in the top right corner. This will take you to the quiz creation page. Now it's time to add your question. Click on add question. You can choose from different questions like multiple choice, true, false, or even puzzle questions. Start with a multiple choice question. Type your question in the designated field and add your answer options. Don't forget to mark the correct answer by clicking the checkbox next to it. You can also customize your quiz by adding images or videos to your questions. Just click on the image icon and upload a file or search the Kahoot library. After adding all the questions, click on settings. To adjust privacy option, you can choose whether your quiz is public or private and set other preferences like randomizing questions or enabling a timer. When you're happy with your quiz, click save in the top right corner. You can also choose to publish it right away or keep it as a draft for later. When you start the game, a unique game pin will be generated. Share this pin with your players and they can join the game by going to kahoot.it and entering the code. And that's it. You've just created your own Kahoot quiz game for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.